So this is Kai Plus here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the level editor. First, for the people that don't know about RCMod, I just wanted to show you that this is where you install it. I mean, not install it, well, like put it in your bookmarks. You go to aotrce.weebly.com, and it's under, it's under here. You need to click it, and then whatever you're using, it works for Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, blah blah blah. For me, currently, it's not working on Chrome because Chrome's newest update is breaking my Unity. So, yeah. So what you want to do is you just, you know, open your bookmark bar and just drag it right in. I already have it there, so I don't need to. So that's RC. All right. Yeah. So the level editor, here it is. Just gonna load my stuff in. Um, I cannot see my cursor. There it is. Okay, so basically, I'll show you the basics of what to do in here. You got your general, which is supply and all the titans. You got your geometry, which is like basic shapes. There's buildings. Props to whoever made those. And then there's the nature, which is like the trees. If you want to make a forest, and like leaves to put the, leaves on the trees. All right, so this is where the players spawn. You can't move this or anything. I don't know why. Maybe it'll happen later on. Um, Actually, I don't even think that all players spawn in here. Sometimes they spawn in other places, like around the map. So, all right, let me get into the building. All right, so let's go with buildings. You can change the like the size of the buildings with the scale multiplier, and you can do height. I usually go with 3 because it's a really big. I mean, it makes it like if you make a city, like you spawn one in, and it makes the city seem like way bigger instead of like the city that we play on usually. Sadly, there's nothing to like snap into place. I mean, you can if you know how to use the level script. I don't really know how to do that, so I just kind of make everything myself. Um, so yeah, so it's WASD and move it around. He has controls for you already in here, so all those. Um, so okay, so when I first started using this was so confusing. I didn't know how to do anything. My toggle cursor. So this is important. Toggle cursor. It If it's gone, that's you move. You can move around. If it's there, it means you can edit whatever. To edit the thing, you click on it. Sadly, when you edit things to click on them, it will move it out of place just a little bit. See how I just like X and then click and it goes down a little bit. After that, I kind of just hold down Shift, which let's says left shifter here. It like slowly moves the object down or up, whichever direction, or if you want to go side to side. So, oh, and then when you're in the edit mode and you realize like this is where you want this object to be, you press space or whatever your thing is right here. So yeah, that's that. And let's see. Oh, and then okay, you can go to this next colors. You can change. Oops. Okay, you can change some of the colors for. Let's press delete. You can change colors for, I don't know, let's say like an object or something. You gotta toggle it on, and let's see, let's just go with like purple. Spawns it in as purple. For me, I don't know if this will happen to you guys, but this kind of lags my editing mode, so it's kind of poopy, I guess. So yeah, you have color schemes and whatnot. So press space to put it in place, and then I don't know. Yeah. There's one thing I haven't tried yet is to see if let me delete these real quick. If you can change the color along. Okay, so there's material right here. Um, I wanted to see if I can change the color of the material, but still have the texture. So it's, oh yeah, perfect. Okay, so you can texture objects. You can texture objects with the material right here, and then you can color it too. So that's pretty cool. So turn that off. And this is the texture without colors. All right, cool. I haven't used tilting yet. I'm assuming that's just to tilt it. So let's try that. You know what? I don't know what it actually does because I haven't used it before. So I'm gonna delete that. If you guys notice any difference in that one. Maybe tilting meant for the color scheme. I'm gonna put it on red. Oops. Because I like red. Yes, I'm not entirely sure what tilting does yet. Maybe someone can leave it in the comments or something. My voice keeps cracking. Like I just woke up and it just cracked like crazy. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's see. Nature, trees. Make some big ass trees. I think this is the only one that you can go inside of. When I say inside of, I mean like that you can walk into. Let me turn off the color because I can't see anything that well. Color, house, E. So yeah, you can walk inside of it, whatnot. So that's pretty cool. I like to put my refill or resupply stations in there, just so people don't die so easily. Yeah, let's see what else. Oh, I think it was not castle. Tower. I like this one too. I need to stop making everything so tall. Let me just do this. Oops. So the tower, it's still wooden. You can go inside of. I usually place resupply towers on these two, or not towers, resupply stations on this too, because it's just easier and people can find it faster. Only bad thing is if they run out of gas on the floor, they have to run all the way up. So yeah, let's see. Cannons. Okay, uh, I'm gonna say this now. See how it's invisible right here? It's actually there. Once you go inside of it, you're stuck in there forever. In game. So I'm just warning you guys now. Don't try to like crawl on the cannon right there. So yeah, I found that out yesterday and it was awful. And there was one more thing about. I think it was this one. No, it's not that one. What? One of these houses you can actually go inside, not inside of, sorry, inside the chimney. So that was pretty cool. This one, yeah. But as you can see, there's like no texture on the inside, so you can walk out of it, but you can run on it. I don't know. That's kind of cool to me. I don't know. Maybe if you want to play a game of hide and seek with your friends and like the DC mod. I don't know if you have like a special mod where it's RC and DC and you want to do like PvP. I don't know. That'd be pretty cool. Some tag or whatnot. So yeah. What's next? Your nature, geometry, buildings. Oh, the tower. I use this for. Oh, I gotta take off that material. Default is what you want to go back to if you don't want any skins on it. All right, tower. This is what I use for making like a wall or something. So I just, make the width, just say 100. I still don't know if you can do like 10.5 or like 0.3 or something. I haven't really noticed a difference when I did that. So this is what I use for a wall or like a bounding box basically. I'm pretty sure there's other ways to do it, but I mean for bounding boxes, but like that's just the best solution for having people not go outside because they'll realize there's nothing actually outside if they go out there. So yeah, that is basically it. they have map settings like the basically game mode. It says right here. Okay, you can do one round where you just got to kill all the titans like in the city, or you can do waves where it's in the forest and you got to kill this amount of titans, and then you go on to the next wave. Let's see, random number, titan number. I'm pretty sure this is how many spawn within each of these. I usually go just one, and then I have to do my cap is 10, but that's just my preference. And the spawn is just something that you place down, and then they constantly spawn after you kill one. So one dies, one spawns. Spawn timer. So I have another map that I have that it's really big and it's kind of open, but it's not open. I'll show you guys later. Um, that if for some reason the wave system isn't working on mine, and I don't know why, but I just don't want people to stay alive forever, so everybody has to watch. So I'm either restarting the game every now and then, or waiting for them to die, or um, I put it on 300 seconds. They have to wait like 5 minutes for Annie to spawn, and like she starts killing everybody. So it does the job that I want it to do. All right, let me go get that code. Oops. KaiPlusArt.com. Yes, I do have a website now. I will be posting all my RC stuff here. I had to look at the bottom right here. So, oh, I didn't make that a link. Oops, my bad. I gotta fix that. Okay, so this is where you can get the map that I have. I ask you to like please not edit this. It's only here for your use of like for fun. I mean, like you can edit it, just don't say that it's yours to begin with. I mean, I put a landmark in there, but like I don't know. I don't like when people take my stuff and then say it's theirs. It's really rude. Yeah. Okay. So when you have like your map built, all the script is right here. You basically just copy all of the stuff that's in here. So I'll show you right here. Apply. Here's my map. Oops. I'll click outside of that. Alright, so here's my map right here. It's pretty decent. I don't really know why it glitches out like that, but there's a floor there. This is a plane. I've tried excuse me, I've been trying to figure out how to change it to where it doesn't glitch out like that, but it doesn't work. I've used the cuboid plane. I've actually used a building, and it keeps freaking out. So I say fuck it. So yeah, this is my place. There's a landmark on it. I'm not gonna show you guys what it is, but it's not that. Yeah, that's how I trademark this. Not trademark, whatever. So I have Annie spawn over there in the corner. I have my gas on the towers. I forgot to put it on that one over there. Maybe I can just do that right now. So X to, well, mine is X. X to go into build mode, and then put the resupply point right here. Oops. It doesn't have to be perfect, so I just kind of place it. Right, so the apply. Shift to slowly move it. Sometimes you got to use it to get, exactly where you might want it to go. So I got all this. I want to fix this area, but if you were to fly up to the top of this map and look down at this, you'd understand why I have it. I have it like set up like this. But yeah. So I got my wall surrounding the place. It's not perfect, I know. I don't really care. It was just this is my first map ever, and I just wanted to test it out. I'm gonna copy. So what I was saying earlier is you want to copy. Oops. mine is, I'm on Mac, so I gotta do Command All, but for you it's Control A, and that selects all of it. And then when you have all of this, you save it in like a Word document, or what I did, you can put it on a Google Drive document, or you can put it on Notepad, which is basically like what everybody has. And then when you have it, paste it into here. Control Alt V, or Control V. Oh, okay. Just make sure you save this because it does not save in here. I figured out that the first time, and it was kind of sad. But yeah. So don't don't exit out if you finish this because it doesn't save. All right. So I already have it. I have it saved in my clipboard. So I'm gonna go here, exit. All right, and then what you do now, here I'll just do a test real quick. Oops. You can do custom no PT or with Player Titans. I like to do no PT because I don't know. I mean, I can do PT, but I don't really do. Anyways, test. Just make it 1 because I don't want people joining. How did I do that? 10 minutes, I guess. Just me. Start. All right. So what you do now, usually it's blank, but because I have since I played with this map already, it doesn't really, you don't need to. I don't understand why the guy spawns out here. Okay, so, oops, this is my character. Just made a new blade yesterday for my friend, so here it is. You can get it on my website. Actually, I don't know if I put it on there. I'll put it on there today. But yeah, you press your menu button, it's P. Go to maps, and then you just, yeah. Oh well, yours is going to be blank if you haven't already done this, but you're going to press Control V or Command V, and then paste your data in their level script, and then oh whoops, actually that's right, I haven't changed it yet. You press save and then load, and then I'm going to restart /restart. Right, and then there you go. And then let's go check out those changes. I mean, that really wasn't that much. Oh, what? They're not here. I guess I didn't save the proper one. Oh well. Anyways, yeah, that's a little awkward. Is that right? Maybe I didn't save the right code. Whatever. So you can use that one building as, I didn't explain this earlier. You can use what is it? House 2, I think. The one you can go inside as like a tree house or something. The only thing about like all of the buildings, I'm pretty sure it's all the buildings, or maybe not the tower, but all the buildings don't have like a bottom part to it. Let me see if I can find one that did that. I don't know why it does that either. Maybe I'll just show you back in the editor. Let's quit that and then go back to the level editor. Right there. Okay. See how there is no, oops, that's confusing. There is no bottom part to this. So when you shoot your hook to it, it will go through it and hit the top of the, like this part of the roof. But when you're inside of it, the floor is there. I don't know why it does that. It's kind of annoying, but it's okay. I mean, they probably had their reasons, probably to have like less triangles or something. Anyways, yeah. So can't really have like a village in the sky or something. So if you're thinking of doing this in the sky, you might as well do like put your material on bark or like stone or something, and then I don't know, get like a plane and just kind of put it in your. Oh, okay. I was trying to figure out where it went, and just kind of put it in yourself. So yeah. Actually, no, not the plane. Sorry. I remember that the plane also it's also invisible at the bottom. you want to put a cuboid or something. I mean, you just gotta, instead of putting it one by one, you just gotta just figure out what is the shape for this one, and then put it underneath. Voice, will you stop cracking? Okay, so I think that's it. Right, yeah. So, and then if you want to go back to editing your thing, you Control V, apply. Yeah. Make sure I don't click on anything. There we go. So yeah. I don't know why those things didn't seem there. I'm a little sad. Okay. Yeah. I'll be working on a PvP map soon, and I'll put it on my website. That is not straight. That is bugging the crap out of me. I'm not gonna fix it. So yeah, that's my map. Usually I have a server called RC Mod Kai. It's usually in white or it has a color, and you can play on this map with me and my friends. So yeah, be sure to subscribe and comment, rate, do whatever you want. Check out my website. Holy fuck! Ah!